drowning in leads and lost opportunities. Let's transform the chaos into a well-oiled sales machine with Zoho CRM. First, let's talk about lead generation. A crucial first step. Zoho CRM allows you to capture leads from various sources. You can create web forms and embed them on your website to automatically capture visitor information directly into your CRM. Next, navigate to the Leads module. Here, you can manually add leads, import them from a spreadsheet, or even integrate with other platforms to automatically populate this section with new leads. Now that we have leads, let's move on to opportunity tracking. Use the Deals module to track potential sales as they move through your sales pipeline. This view allows you to follow the progress of each potential deal. Be sure to update the stage of each deal as it progresses, helping you visualize where your team's efforts are focused. Now for sales automation. Zoho CRM allows you to automate repetitive tasks, saving you valuable time and resources. For example, create a workflow rule that automatically sends a follow-up email when a deal enters the negotiation stage. Finally, let's dive into reporting. Zoho CRM offers powerful reporting capabilities to track key performance indicators. Generate reports on everything from lead conversion rates to sales by rep, giving you insights to optimize your sales process. This valuable insight will help you adjust and improve your sales tactics.